rusty ass one out. What I did was I hammered really good one of these, and then I got this out. This one, it's like out. It's just like it's destroyed. So I'm gonna have to drill this one out, I think. So the hammer trick worked. I hammered this in, and it's coming out. Hallelujah. Oh, I actually get this out through the back door.
Needs to be diagonal.
It's out, kind of.
Wow, that freed up a lot of space.
Yeah, I think now I can recline the seats all the way back.
Yeah, probably.
So now I'm just gonna get this out. Should be able to get it out though. Okay, well, let me finish trying to drill this out. All right, so according to YouTube, I could super glue, crazy glue an Allen wrench into this stripped hole, let that set a bit, and I should be able to get enough to pull it out. This isn't like rusted or seized in any way. It's just I can't get it out, and I can't grip it with a pair of pliers because there's a washer in the way. So I grab the washer every single time, and yeah, try to like move the washer out of the way using like a really small screwdriver, but it's still not being successful. So try to drill it out, but I don't think I have strong enough drill bits to do that. So this is where we are. So as much as I want to attempt to try to get that out, according to Siri, I should let crazy glue set for 24 hours. So I have to wait again another day to try to get this completely out, but at least the cage is out. So small wins. And if I have to get an angle grinder, I'm gonna have to wait a couple days to get that tool. So it may be a couple days until I finish this project. I'm gonna have to buy caps to cover this shit up. Might need to wash this too. Look at that dirt. That layer of dirt. That's from the yard work video. Bought some insulation on Amazon. It just wasn't really what I liked, so I returned it. And I have to wait. Insulation is expensive, so I need to wait for a little bit. So I'm just gonna publish a video. I wanted to do project by project, but I don't think that's really gonna work. Now that I think about it, I have to buy things as I have money to buy them. So I'm just gonna continuously be adding things. Right now I'm trying to sound dampen most of the van. And I've been using this Milwaukee battery as a way to smooth out the sound dampener material, which works really, really well. Check this out. So it has this like little lip right there, and it works perfect to squeeze out air from the corners. Look at that. It's nice and in there. And let's see, I'm not doing this really well, but this get all the air bubbles out really well. Eventually I'll take off the top headliner and sound dampen that. I still have plenty here. And I'm almost done here with the roof. And you know, I have like little corners. Definitely has made a difference. Hear this. Now hear this side. So I wanted to wait and kind of do section by section, and I really didn't want to do this ceiling until I had insulation to put it up there and kind of seal the ceiling, because I didn't want it to look like all like construction zone. But it is what it is. I'm building this van out as I have money, and I can't wait around and not do anything. I just felt like no progress was being made, so I have time. I cleaned out in here. I've also made with some plexiglass that my girlfriend had, I kind of cut some out and made a little like cover. That way the vent down there isn't spraying dust and moisture isn't coming and kind of, you know, dirtying the insulation I'm going to put in here eventually. So this is going to allow ventilation, and I can take this out when the cap's on. I can take it out and you know, clean it, just to protect all of the insulation. So I think in this corner, and my plans are to maybe like bag the insulation or protect it a little bit in this corner from, again, any like sprays or moisture coming in. But I'm gonna put a filter here too, because there's a cap to make sure that the air coming in is filtered. But yeah, I'm gonna finish up this ceiling here, and that's gonna be the end of this video. Obviously stay tuned for whatever project I do next. Hopefully it's cutting out the templates for the paneling to be put back in or putting insulation in. And it's like a really hot day in the Bay Area or all of California today. There's like weather warnings due to the climate change narrative. It's just summer. It's just summer. But the roof is nice and warm and it's melting the adhesive. So it's making this process very, very easy compared to when I did it here. It was a little bit of a colder day when I did the smoothing out here, so it's not as nice looking, but it's definitely like sealed. I'm actually going to be sound dampening this area at a later time. I just don't really feel like it. I'm gonna try to enjoy my Saturday in warm weather today later. So that's the end of the video, guys. I don't know. See ya.